Yeah, we're back on 2016 already playing. Shoot, man, put a little smile on the face. Michael Butler running out there. BlueGill.
Alright, Space Cowboy, you're doing a good job out this way. It's rough out here, but hey, I'll tell you what, you're the only one coming through it, so. Hey, Space Cowboy, have yourself a great one and good 2016 your way too, if we didn't do it already, but we'll just do it this way again. BlueGill, back quiet on the 2-pill.
Right, as always, man, super sounding all radio stations at the it's on top, yeah, but some of my antenna, that's for sure enough. Sounds a blessing, sir. Thanks for that, gonna let us know we're getting a little bit of Mother Nature. BlueGill, Space Cowboy, shutting up.
Virginia. Hey, Scratch Angle, Virginia, you're making a trip out this way, old BlueGill, back out listening in Riverside, Southern Cal. Yeah, come on in here, 606. Hey, Scratch Ankle. Yeah, you got a squeal in your deal there, my friend. Yeah, I saw that. 10-4. My mic got turned up there. 10-4. Alright, it'd be good to be safe. Old BlueGill, Riverside, Southern Cal, back quiet. Forward out there on Riverside. Appreciate the shaft there. Still got a little bit in there, looks like. There we go. Yeah, that took it. That took it. Woo!